Hey, how are you? I just returned from my November adventure and I have the standard to-do list and unpacking and unboxing of some products and just a general day. So come along with me on this mellow, relaxing day. I had mushroom coffee in the hotel before I left this morning. Yeah, I brought it with me. They didn't have it at the hotel, let me clarify that. And now it's time for some lemon water and to unpack all of this stuff. I don't have an issue with drinking enough water during the day, but I do like the taste of lemon, and plus it gives you those added vitamins in the water. And come on, it's so easy to make. We should all be doing it. It's time to unpack, do laundry, and put everything back where it belongs. And this includes all the vitamins, supplements, lotions, potions, and electronics that always end up going with me on a road trip. I really like the fact that I can take more with me when I travel by car, but I always take too much. Do you have that issue too? I was gone 10 days on this mini adventure and took way too much stuff. I ordered a few groceries online so that I would have something to make before having to go to the market. Let me put those away. And then I think it's time to go for a walk. The weather is so changeable right now. Now it's really beginning to feel like autumn as the leaves are piling up. There are so many different types of leaves here. I wonder how far they've traveled. Even though the weather's turned off cooler, it was still very refreshing to get out and just explore and be outside. I have a full week ahead of me, but I know I do better when I take time to take care of myself. Okay, I'm gonna have some tea and then I'm going to meditate. Let's light some incense and some candles and get cozy. Okay, now it's time to cook dinner. I went for simple with beefless beef tips and stir fry in teriyaki sauce. This was so good and so quick and easy to make too. And as always, when I make this, there's never any leftovers. Okay, I'm gonna tidy up and let's look at the weather. It's really odd fog outside. I guess I should get some work done now. Oh wait, I still have the mail to go through, and I have a special Vegan Cuts chocolate box that I ordered for my son. So let's open that up and see what's in it. And of course, this wasn't sponsored. Vegan Cuts doesn't know who I am, even though I've been a customer for years and years and years. I appreciate the fact that I get to try out new full-size vegan food that I probably wouldn't find anywhere else. And generally, I'm always happy with the products. This was a special holiday treat for my son because we normally don't eat that much junk food or candy at all. Okay, I think that was well worth the money. That was a lot of chocolate. That should last him into the new year. Okay, time to open the computer and actually get some work done. And he did give me some coconut candy, which was amazing. 2.5 hours later, it's time for a break. Let's go outside and check out the moon. Okay, I think I'm going to take a bath and wind down and call it a night. It's been a long day, and tomorrow's going to be really super packed. But I feel so blessed to be doing what I love and having the time to go on adventures and really enjoy day-to-day life. Thank you for coming on this adventure with me. I hope you enjoyed this mini vlog. If you did, let me know in the comments section below. And as always, please consider subscribing and liking this video. It helps it get seen. Have a great week.